So are we doing a push-up or are we not doing a push-up?
Yes.
You sure about that?
Don't bitch out. It's the only push-up.
Okay, let's do it. Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with my amazing, beautiful, incredible wife, Angela. How are you, honey?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Okay, so today we've got a Shred 16 workout. This is an awesome workout, and this is a metabolic high-intensity circuit. You guys are gonna love this. It's 16 minutes of balls to the wall workout. So in this workout, what we're doing is we're doing 4 exercises. We're doing each exercise for 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds rest, one after the other for 4 straight rounds. No rest, all right? So the 4 exercises we're doing are side-to-side burpees, plank hip dips to plank raise. You're doing 4 hip dips, 4 raises, 4 jumping jacks to 2 tuck jumps, and finally, walkout push-ups or inchworm push-ups. All right, you guys ready? All right, we're doing side-to-side burpees. No, we're not going to the ground. No push-up with the burpees, okay? Just backing up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Ready? Here we go. So side jump burpees. Keep breathing. Core tight. Good. Try to land both feet at the same time. You don't want to go too crazy. It's only round 1. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Legs apart. Keep going. Almost there. Good work. All right. Deep through your nose, out to your mouth, down to the ground. Plank, hip dips. We're doing 4 total, and then 2 plank raises. Here we go. Deep breath in your nose. Get that oxygen back. And here we go. So 4 total, and then 2 raises. So here with the plank, dynamic plank. Good. Breathe. Obliques here, obliques. And then nice lower abs. Good. Up, up. Up. Good. Keep going. 3, 4. Good work. Wow. That was tough. That was tough. But we're just starting, man. All right. 4 jumping jacks, 2 tuck jumps. Again, exercise very metabolic, high intensity. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1. 2 jumps. Drive those knees up. It's only round 1, so. 3, 4. Drive those knees. Land softly on the balls of your feet. Wow. Those tuckies are toughy. If you can't do a tuck jump, you can just jump. But first round, I want to show you guys all the exercises. Okay, inchworm. Starting low, walk out, push up, walk back. Down, back up. Down, back up. Make sure with the push up, you take your time. We want strength. Down. Good. Back up. You're doing great. Back up. Use that upper body to push you back. Down. Good work, honey. Keep going. Yeah. Good work. All right, rest up. gonna grab a bit of water. All this talking. All right, we're back up to side burpees. Woo. Here we go, ready? Round 2. Keep breathing here. Back fast, up fast. Good. Keep going. Back fast, up fast. Oh, wow. This is a killer, man. All right, plank, dips to raise. Oh, recovery's key. 4. You can hear me breathing. Exhale on the way up. 4. Stack those feet. Oh. If you have to sit in a plank, then you can sit in the plank for a bit. Oh. Already dying here. Good work. 4 jumping jacks, 2 tuck jumps. 4 jumping jacks, 2 tuck jumps, and a killer shred 16 workout. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Head up, balls of your feet. Sometimes it's hard to coordinate. Tuck. There it is. Gotta get way up in the air there. Oh. Whew. Smell that rose. Does any have a rose here? Smell it again. Good. All right. Walkout push ups. Upper body and core. A little bit of agility. Shoulder stability. Down, boom. Back up. Keep that core tight through the entire movement. Protect your lower back. Keep going. Time. Oh. All right. Back up. Round 3. How you feeling, honey? Of course she's feeling good. I'm dying here. What else is new? My beautiful wife. She keeps me going, man. She keeps me going. 100 years right here. Ready? Here we go. Make sure your hands are down first. Keep breathing. Yeah. Good. Deep through your nose, into your mouth. Some people like to put their hands here to get oxygen in. Okay, plank hip dips. 3, 4. Feeling it now. 4. Just keep breathing. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Yeah. Wow. All right. Jumping jack, tuck jumps. This one's a killer. Here we go. 1. Up. Keep going, guys. 3, 4. 3, 4. Oh, man. Focus on recovery right now. Get that oxygen in. Open up those lungs. Get that oxygen in. Smell the rose. Here we go. Inchworm out. Push up. Yeah. Good. All the way out. Core tight. Keep that core tight. Yeah. I really want you guys to focus on the push-up. Don't rush into it. Get there, push up, back up. Here we go. Final round. So many around here, folks. Just do the best you can. Side to side. Burpees. Here we go. Here we go. Keep going. You guys can see me die right on camera. Plank, hip dips to raise. Here we go. Keep the core tight. Keep going, guys, keep going. Watch Angela, she's crushing right now. 3, 4. Good work. All right, Jumping jacks, tuck jumps. My upper body's dying right now. Shoulders, heart. Tough workout. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, guys. Keep going. Oh, one more to go, everyone. Big push-ups. Deep through your nose. This is it. Last exercise. You guys are awesome. Here we go. Look out. Good. Keep that core tight. Use that upper body to push you back. Stand up. Squeeze the glutes. Do whatever you can to push yourself back. One more, finish this up. Time. Yes, yeah. Honey, wow, that was awesome. There you go, guys. Shred 16 minutes, 4 exercises, crushing. As you can see, sweating, tired, but we got through it. Thank you so much, guys. Listen, if you like those workouts, you want full body weight workouts, you're a man, click the link below and join my over 40 Alpha Brotherhood. Hey guys, Funk Roberts here, and thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you like it, you share this, leave your comments below because you know I love to read your comments. And of course, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications so you do not miss another workout. And if you like that workout, then click the link in this box right here and I'll send you to another workout. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you in the next workout. Get it done.